Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The IQOO Z10 Turbo Pro Plus made its debut just 2 days ago, and it's already turning heads with some truly remarkable specifications. From its top-tier eye-protected OLED display and massive 8,000 mAh battery to one of Android's most powerful flagship processors, ultra-fast charging, and more, this device is built for performance. Today, as promised in my unboxing video, I'm bringing you an in-depth review of the IQOO Z10 Turbo Pro Plus. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's start with the design. The unit I have comes in the brand new polar gray color scheme, a cool low saturation shade that's visually calming yet subtly powerful. The darkened logo blends seamlessly with the tone, and the matte etched back panel not only resists fingerprints but also feels silky and refined in hand. Even users with sweaty palms will find the grip secure. The camera module features a metal deco with a floating design complemented by gold accents that add a touch of elegance. Overall, the design language strikes a balance between calm sophistication and the sharp edge expected from a performance-focused device. At 8.60 millimeters thick and 212 grams in weight, the phone's size is impressively managed, especially considering it houses an enormous 8,000 mAh battery. This level of balance between battery capacity and portability is commendable. Under the hood, the IQOO Z10 Turbo Pro Plus is powered by the Dimensity 9400 Plus chip, currently among the most powerful flagship processors in the Android ecosystem. Built on the 3nm process and featuring a second-generation all-large-core CPU architecture, its ultra-core clocks in at 3.73 GHz. In both benchmarks and real-world use, performance is uncompromising. Test conditions: room temperature, 25 degrees Celsius, brightness, 200 nits, Genshin Impact, very high graphics, 60 fps. In a 30-minute run through Sumeru City, the device maintained an average frame rate of 60.1 FPS, with lows dipping only to 57.7 FPS, delivering flawless gameplay. Testing with Honkai Star Rail, very high graphics, 60 FPS for 30 minutes during the demanding golden hour sequence yielded an average of 53.6 FPS. The initial 14 minutes were rock solid, followed by natural fluctuations due to the scene's intense load, a true stress test scenario. For even better results in such demanding titles, lowering the graphics slightly or pairing the phone with an external cooling clip is recommended. Additionally, IQOO has included its self-developed independent graphics chip Q2, enabling super resolution and super frame concurrency. This is the only device in the industry to offer true 1.5K super resolution with 144Hz ultra-true concurrency, ensuring a top-tier gaming experience. Battery life is another standout feature. The IQOO Z10 Turbo Pro Plus is equipped with an 8,000 mAh ultra-thin Blue Ocean battery using the same third-generation semi-solid silicon material found in premium flagships. This allows for massive capacity without compromising on slimness. Battery consumption tests: 1 hour short video streaming, 8%, 1 hour Weibo browsing, 8%, 1 hour 1080p online video playback, 5%. In gaming scenarios, 30 mins, Honor of Kings, max settings 120 FPS, 12% 30 mins, Genshin Impact, 9% 30 mins. Honkai Star Rail, 12%. Even with heavy usage, the phone easily delivers a full day's battery life. For charging, it supports 90-watt FlashCharge, fully charging the massive 8,000 mAh cell in just about an hour, which is impressive given the capacity. To complement its performance and endurance, the IQOO Z10 Turbo Pro Plus boasts a 6.78-inch OLED eye protection display, with 144 Hz refresh rate, up to 3000 Hz touch sampling rate, ideal for fast-paced games like Honor of Kings, 2000 nits peak brightness, clear visibility even under harsh sunlight, 403/20 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming plus full brightness DC dimming for reduced eye strain during extended use. The base variant of the IQOO Z10 Turbo Pro Plus is priced at 2,199 Chinese yuan in China, which roughly converts to £228 in the UK and $307 in the USA. Final verdict: the IQOO Z10 Turbo Pro Plus delivers an impressively well-rounded package. Aggressive performance, marathon battery life, a silky smooth display, and a refined design, all at a price point that makes it a value-packed gaming flagship. For gamers and power users who want top performance without breaking the bank, this device stands out as one of the most compelling options available right now. So what are your thoughts on this device? Which feature stands out as your favorite? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech videos and follow me on X for the latest tech updates and deals. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.